Hello, I'm going to show you today how to use Text Help's Read Aloud feature on a document, a regular Google Doc that your teacher may have shared with you. So this is a Google Doc called Poetic Hero, and you can see here that I have the Text Help Read Write Read Aloud feature already engaged. It lives on the Chrome browser. So just by depressing that little purple puzzle piece, you engage it. What you would do is you would just put your cursor, highlight the text where you want it to begin reading, and just press this triangle, and it would begin reading.
This is a true story of a young boy who was very brave. Although he was afflicted with a serious condition, he was still able to spread joy, peace, and happiness all over the world. Read his story to find out how he accomplished this. A Poetic Hero. March 2006. Matt.
And the big black box here, that's how it stops the reading. Okay, it's as simple as that. If you have any questions, you can reach me at ltillinghast@mufsd.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.